So this is an A.Perm algorithm. So what you want to do is take it out and do JB-Perm algorithm, and then what you want to do is do U2 and insert that pair again. So what you want to do is take it out and do JB-Perm algorithm and that. Okay, so yeah. So second one is little complicated one. This is Nperm algorithm. So what you want to do is do this algorithm. There is no intuitive way to do this. There is one, but that just takes way too long. Like, yeah, that's the worst one. So yeah.